Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you on a Tuesday. And I hope everyone had a great Christmas and hopefully you got time to spend with family. Hopefully you had a great holiday season. I know I did, ate way too much, but I had a great time with family and friends. So hopefully you did the same. This is just, we're going to do a quick summary on how my day went and kind of a sporadic, a little bit of a crazy day. I actually traded this morning. Usually I try to stream or I stream every morning and I try to trade always or do all my trades on stream, especially for this account, this 150K account. But if you were here this morning, we took some trades here, had a loser here, had another loser, pretty big loser. Um, let's just look right here. I think this was like a $330 loss. And when I ended, and then I ended stream, things were just weren't really going that well. And I had some things that I needed to take care of anyway, and wasn't really reading the market that well. And so I ended stream around, what time was it? Around 11:30 this morning, and ended stream. And I did proceed to trade off stream, and I try not to do that. I don't want to become trades by Matt here, where I just make money off stream magically. But obviously, I try to show you, or I do show you my account balances, and you can track everything from day to day. So hopefully, that is not an issue. But I did trade after I ended stream. I was working and trading, and ended up being basically ended up digging myself out of the hole. I actually almost right when I ended stream, I actually took this long position here, and it ended up being a really nice trade. So then I didn't really trade anything until we had a big move higher, and I basically wasn't really available to take any trades here. But then toward the end of the day, I did take just a small trade here. And then when I saw this move, this is something that I've been trying to kind of be better at, is when when we're in an uptrend and we pull back to this EMA, or if we do any sort of pullback, and then we make a move to go higher, but we fail to make new highs. And then we had this big red bar, and I have a tendency to really get faked out on these moves, and I've been trying to really get better at taking a short position once we fail to make this move. Now, we had the murder bot happen, and thankfully I wasn't in a position there on purpose. That's why I closed out of this trade a little bit early. But the murder bot we sold off really quickly. And if you know what the murder bot is, then you know. If you don't, I don't have time to explain it right now. But basically, we had a big rip lower on the murder bot, and then we pulled back up, and we failed again to make new highs. So I shorted right here, and probably the best trade of the day, and took my first profit here and took my final profit here, and that basically got us out of the hole for the day. So I was quite happy with just ending the day $44 in profit. I will take it. And compared to, I think we were like $500 in the red when I ended stream, where it was close to that. So I will take it. Here is real quickly. Here's TradeZella, what I use to journal my trades. This is where we're at on this account. We are about a little bit over $1,100 in the green on this account, and hopefully we can keep it going. Obviously, my goal is to be more aggressive on this 150K account. I'm trading minis, and then hopefully we can get to a payout and pay ourselves. That's the goal. So hopefully we can just keep that going. Switching to the 1950K accounts. Here, it's kind of confusing here, actually. It's a little bit muddy. I muddied the waters a little bit. Oops, this is November. Here we go, December. So I did take some trades last night. When the market opened, I actually took some trades. So that's what this is here. But basically combined the two. And I actually wasn't having a really good day on these accounts. You can see 5 of my accounts, I'm in the red, basically 4 of them. And I trade these now in groups, and I'm actually really glad that I'm doing that. I really like it, and I'm definitely going to continue doing it. Basically, I'm trading them in groups of like 4 to 6, and not really going more than 4 or more than 6, but then also go 4. Not really a rhyme or reason to how I trade them. Sometimes I go by account balance, and some days it just depends on the day and kind of how my trading is going. But I actually was red. I was red on all of my 50K accounts at one point, and actually dug out of the hole on a lot of those accounts. And yeah, I ended, I guess, net green or net positive for the day. We did have 4 of those accounts or 5 that ended in the red, but overall, I'm quite happy with how the day actually ended compared to how it was going. I was not having a good day when I ended stream on my 1950K accounts either. I think I was like $30 to $40 in red on all of the accounts. So I'm quite happy that we kind of battled back on these accounts as well. I do have to be very careful when I go start going red, and I start to do a scalping method, which I didn't really do today, which I'm thankful. But I have to be careful that I don't get too crazy with scalping and then I get trapped in a position. I have gotten myself in trouble in the past on that. So there's definitely a time when I just need to be okay with walking away, and you live to trade another day. So overall, still okay with how the day went. And yeah, we'll keep on keeping on. Also, I do want to make a mention on Apex right now. Obviously they're running this promotion right now. I haven't really covered it that much on my stream or on my channel. I'm not sure that I'm not just a huge fan of the promotion they're running, which is why I'm not just really pushing it that much. But right now they have a where you can pass an eval in one day. That's kind of the promotion they're running. Pass an eval in one day, and then at the same time, if you can get 80K in payouts for the month of January, then you also get entered for an additional $80,000 that you can win in a drawing. So I guess for those that are, I mean, maybe that's attractive to you. I don't know. For me, it isn't. But the 1 day pass eval, that ends tomorrow. There's a little bit of confusion. So just to clarify, the sale, basically, if you buy an account today or tomorrow, before 4:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and if you pass tomorrow, you would basically, I mean, if you have an evaluation account right now and you pass it tomorrow before 4:59 p.m., then you will pass it in 1 day. You don't need to trade it for more than 1 day. So, I mean, hopefully that makes sense. I know there was some confusion around that, but basically, you have until 4:59 p.m. tomorrow Eastern Standard Time to pass an eval and to pass it in 1 day. Now, if it goes past tomorrow, I don't know what kind of promotion they're going to run. I don't know if they're going to, after 4:59 p.m. tomorrow, is it going to go back to that you have to trade 7 days? I do not know. I don't know if they're going to run a different kind of promotion. So I guess we'll just wait and find out. Stay tuned, I guess. But as of now, all I know is the promotion for passing evals in 1 day. It does end tomorrow at 4:59 Eastern Time. So just FYI, there is currently a 71% discount going on right now. And looks like Apex is kind of, yeah, I think everyone was kind of expecting a 90% sale for Christmas. Didn't happen. I think they're going to kind of try to weed out the big discounts, which makes me a little bit sad. I think it makes everyone a little bit sad. So I don't think they're going to completely go away, but I think they're going to be pretty scarce and a pretty rare sale. But I guess we'll just stay tuned, and I'll be try to do my best to share any promotions that they have going on or any sales. And also do appreciate everyone using my code Nutty Bar. I do really appreciate that. That does help support the channel. So thank you. And that is it. Enough rambling for one day. We will be back live at it tomorrow morning. And I appreciate it if you tune in. But if not, that's all right. I hope you have a blessed evening. And take care. And God bless.